Hello, folks. Good afternoon, and welcome to XM Live Education. This is the beginner's room indicators masterclass with Mr. Isaf Kolev. I'm going to be your trading expert in the next 1 hour. Looking forward, as always, to have the session as an open debate, open discussion. Talk to me about the trade setups, ideas, instruments, just anything you guys are interested in. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Yes, I'm back. I'm going to get into the chat right away and looking forward to get some setups, ideas, instruments, etc. We discussed it earlier. Uh, the territory for the Nasdaq. Actually, let me bring the VP. Just 1 moment. Oh, we gotta resave that one. All right. Look at that. Look at this. All right. Perfect, perfect scenario that we got into the overnight session. We got a retest of the structure. We gap up, we test the zone, and then we got it retested uh, from the most volumetric zone. Now, right now, we are in the current zone. My perfect scenario will be if we make a leg up, potentially go into the 15-minute volumetric zone ish. And then from this territory, we start coming down. Let me come to the chart just right now. Right. I'm there. Boyki first to speak. Thank you so much for tuning in. First question is NASDAQ. Obviously, also for me, starting with this already, I have some expectation of further downside continuation that we got here. Uh, levels of two levels that are probably close to each other. Right. Those are the two levels on the NASDAQ that I personally would like to see before I will start looking at uh, the reversal or potential reversal that I got there. Right. Do I have position? I don't on any of the accounts. I don't have it right now. It's a little FOMO, like 450. If you look in terms of target, that's okay to get it right. 1 to 5, you got it to the 2300s and 1 to 7, 6 7, 6 7. You got to the 2200s, 22,000, excuse me. But I'll just give it a little bit of room, a little bit of breathing space, and then as soon as the US market open, I would possibly anticipate. Right, right. Let us start with the weekly preparation. Nasdaq, I believe I will continue having bearish bias so far. We got more earnings incoming. Nothing really changes. Yes, nothing really significantly shift for the Nasdaq. Also, if I look at my buy reversal indicators, I have no information currently for the upside. Just allow me a second. Right. That's actually pretty wild. Just 1 second. We actually have significantly bullish indicator here, which is the uh, which is the McClellan, right? I almost forgot it. Which is the McClellan, actually showing some significant bullishness, at least recently, in that candle. So if it continues going down, we're probably going to be far from the bottom. And also if you look at the put to call ratio, the level is right up here. I have it on S&P 500. This is pretty. Yeah, we got some plenty of room here before before any uh, right, good. Така. Euro dollar. Boyki, how do you see it? A pullback or maybe a reversal? Did we count the bottom? Did we cast it? Please share, would be nice to know. Euro dollar, let's check it out. Stockma, today could be some good catalyst for daily Stockma long signal. If we look at the 4 hours, as we discussed it last week, I don't have any positions on euro dollar. I have not been watching it. We got some false breakout at the bottom. We get to see some false breakout at the bottom. For euro after last week, uh, I'm kind of neutral after ECB. Don't really have any particular strong opinion for the euro in general. Uh, and also from technical perspective, you got everything that you want to see, yeah? How do you see that, Boyk? Boyk is saying on the Nasdaq, I have short already. Oh, nice. I'm still leaning towards the short side. That's good to know. I am also rather there. For Eurodollar, I have long from Friday. Thumbs up. Did I have long? Wait a minute. Nope. No long position I got. But it does look bullish. Yes, very technical. Potential Friday reversal. Could we see some early reversal right now on the upside? I could say possibly, yeah. I Yeah, why not? Why not? We have all the reasons to believe this. Yep, I have not seen such a fat list for quite some time already. Uh, for euro dollar, the car long from Friday. Yes, it very good day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Did I have a good rest? Uh, as you see, I'm traveling, so not really. Oh man, this rest, this rest, I probably had to take a little bit more time after the COVID that I had last week, even though it was like kind of mild. Traveling this weekend, every day of the week, I did not. You could hear it from my voice. I sound like, you know, Elon Musk robots probably, or something identical to this. So, yeah, honestly, not. But I'm here. Got the setups, got the ideas. Am I gonna trade this week? I probably will. We have so many opportunities, man. I'm gonna take rest probably in the summer, take a week or two of vacation. Probably, possibly. But at the same time, I gotta book some place to go because my type of relaxing vacation is not. I cannot sit at home and do nothing. Yeah, just chill and relax. No, I gotta go somewhere. That's the way that I take some rest. How are you doing? How is everything with you? Let's go for the next instrument that we got from Boyki. Dollar Japanese yen. Uh, we discussed it earlier. I said I'm setting a pending order into that one. I think that's a pretty good level to short it. Pending order below the low. We discussed it earlier, but let's analyze it again. Uptrust is the first event. Second event is a spring, but we're hugging the lows, right? We also didn't generate a higher close. So we got some spring climactic move-ish, which is not good for trading. Why? Because from the middle of the range, you don't have risk to reward to look to anticipate it to the previous structure high, right? So you don't have it. You have the setup, but there is no potential to execute the setup based on the rules that we're implementing. Yeah. Long story short, pending order sell stop. I think this have some good chance